What's the difference between red and Penang curry? I love Penang curry and Thai food in general. However, whenever I try to make curry at home, it always comes out as indistinguishable from red curry. What's the distinction between these two dishes? I feel like I'm probably just missing one or two ingredients that make the difference, but my trusted recipe books in Google haven't been of much use.
I have just looked in the book, Thai Food, by David Thompson. Both are very similar. The main difference I can see is that there are souring agents in the red curry, fish sauce and shrimp paste. These are absent in the Penang, which has peanuts as a major ingredient in the paste, and nutmeg. The Penang is also usually made with beef which is simmered in count milk until tender. Being a Thai, it's always confusing when I hear the term, red curry, because I am not sure exactly what kind of curry are being referred to. Red curry, Kang ped or literally, spicy soup, curry, is a very general term and includes most spicy curry-based soups without specific names. The most common form of red curry in Bangkok restaurants is one with roasted duck. Penang can be categorized as a thicker kind of red curry, but it is never served as soup in a bowl. Often it's served with rice in a plate. Ingredient-wise, Penang curry paste is sold separately and I don't know how different it is to normal curry paste. However, without that specific paste, I think most Thai people will say the normal paste is fine and may not notice the difference.